Hello, beautiful people in YouTube here. Hello, beautiful people in beauty here. I hope you guys doing well and your family are doing well. Okay, this is your girl in a good mood. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You know what is making me excited? I have new product for you guys. New product for you guys. Okay. New. All right. I have product here. The bomb one. You have seen what I've posted before. The bomb one. If you want to have people selling matos, okay, lenzenga in French it's a matos lenzenga, okay, that's the Gabonese kids, the matos lenzenga who want to have a, you know, but the English people, what do you guys say? Big butt, okay? You want to have a big butt, yeah? You want to have a big butt, but you don't need a surgery to have big butt. You know, every woman desire to have big butt because now it's a trend. Every man want the people have big butt. Me, I have a natural one, but I don't use this, but I have a natural one. Yeah, if you want to have a big butt, you don't need a surgery. You can try so many things to have big butt, but now we have it here in Vhen Beauty, here in New Zealand, everywhere here we have it. You don't have to headache yourself to go and do surgery or to do something because those one, hey, Botcho, let's call it Botcho. Huh? 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 Botcho. Botcho, you can see, let me approach it there. And this one, huh? That's Botcho. Hey, look, I open this for you. I never open it. Look how I smell. That is the bot. So it's orange, yellow, something like that. It's made with mango. And the colors because it's made with mango. That is the bomb one, the latest one in the market. It's it's very effective and fast. To make your bath like plummy, soft, nice. You have like when you go there, if you have a skinny one, small one, try to get big one. Order this. Money guarantee. Order this because people have testified about this. Go and do your research and find it. What is Botcho? No side effect of it. Okay, no side effect. It's like you have it like you have your butt when you wear pants. You be sure, show up. Okay. Hey, I want to see you guys, oh. I want to see you. Oh. Hey, order yourself. Plus your order. If you want to have a big one. Huh? Next time I'll bring for men. You know, men, if you're small one, you want to have big one, I'll bring for men. Next time will be men. Okay, don't laugh. Next time is a man. If you don't satisfy your woman and you want to satisfy her, I'll bring next time for men. Okay. Some men ask me to bring for men, then I'll bring for men. Okay, that is the bottom. 10 for 10. 10 for 10. Okay, that is for women first. And you can make your booby big. If you want to have a booby, you make it big, make your butt big. You can use Botcho. It's in a good price. Okay, you can check on Vhen Beauty. Send me a message, ask a question, we answer. It's in a good price, okay? And you thank me. If you have a small one, if you desire to have big butt, you have small one, or you have made your one, you want to make it more, in a good size, don't hesitate to order Bot. So that is the bomb one here. Hey, my dear friend, my dear sister. Hey, I just want to tell you, those one is not only for African. Everybody can use it. Okay, every kind of nation, every kind of people, country can use it because everybody use it. Everybody now want to have a big butt. It's good you do that. You apply it. You go exercise. You do exercise. You see the result. You wear those pants, sexy pants. You see the result. Do that, and I do the exercise. you see the result. That is only the one I wanted to talk about this tonight. Let you guys know what we have here. But every month we'll be receiving new stuff. Next time I'll bring for men. Men, don't forget to comment and talk to me what you want. This is for women because women asked for me to bring it, and now it's here. Please, another woman, place your order before it finish, because everybody's starting calling because no one have to be left. Everybody wants big back. Now it's big back. You don't need a surgery. No, you don't need a surgery to go and waste money. You can get natural product who will make your skin, who will make your back up, your booby bam when you go. Okay. Thank you for watching and leave your comment. Bye bye.